Nick's Adventures, yeah!
Hey everyone, welcome back to Nick's Adventures, and today we are going to Fort Worth Water Gardens. So let's get right into the video.
So one thing about Fort Worth Water Garden is this very, very steep step all the way down to the center right there. I'm gonna go down to that center and let's go. Alright guys, so I'm on top of this very large mountain here, and here is the entire park. Pretty cool. This is a cool camera trick I learned. Alright. Oh, there's a little... And now it's backwards. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, have more adventures, and I will see you next Saturday. Bye-bye. Okay, here's a cool filming. Alright, this is now in the bloopers.